Goa is today very disturbed because a social activist, Father Bismark Dias, his body has been found after an unnatural death. And people are demanding, family is demanding, in view of these mysterious circumstances, thorough probe, fair probe. Government should ensure that the truth comes out by doing a fair investigation into this issue, into this very unfortunate death. Because he was a vocal social activist. Government has to do the investigation through the police machinery with all sincerity so that the truth comes out. People have lost faith in this police machinery. So government has to ensure that the truth comes out in this issue and do fair investigation with all sincerity. Government has to do a fair investigation by collecting all evidence and investigating all angles. See, the family has been expressing that his death has been under unnatural circumstances. Body has been found under unnatural circumstances. It is incumbent on the government and the police machinery to do a fair probe with all seriousness